lazy viewers, next we have is this Evergo ceiling fan. This is the motor I needed as a replacement due to the other one breaking. Go here real fast and show you that. The other motor, the exact same fan, probably a little bit cleaner. I might actually, I think I have bearings in here I could probably use. Either way, same exact fan. I'll get the label off of here because the label on this one is worn off. The label for these fans are, here you go. There's a capacitor. I might keep this for spare parts. I might once again change out the top and bottom pieces since they are, the bottom piece I think is better on this one. The top piece is better on that one. I might Frankenstein them and keep the extra parts. I will go up here and just look at it. I've cleaned this fan off a little bit. There's a little speed label. Here's where the label on it was. See, it's still pretty dirty on this one. I haven't had time to clean it all the way off. It's also not in the best conditions. I might once again trade this top out with the other top. The windings are good, but we'll see. Plastic canopy. I know Dan Newman commented about having one in the canopy, and I do have the extra canopy from the broken one, so I might send that to him with some fans. Either way, let's start this fan off on low. So medium, high, medium, low. This fan didn't have any blades, it was just a motor, and usually it was running, just the motor was running on high. So I knew it worked. There is a little bit of a bearing noise to it. I've put some WD-40 oil in it to no effect yet. Also a little bit of wobble, but I'm sure it's probably just on the blades. There's a bearing on it, sounds like the bottom bearing on it. Let's go ahead and go to medium. So up, high, medium. A little bit more here. Definitely puts out a good breeze. Now let's go to high. So low, off, high. I like the fan, but I wish I could have found it without the switch housing. I'm not a fan of the switch housing on these. There's a slight bearing noise to it still. And all in all, this 36-inch fan puts out a good amount of air. It's blowing stuff down there, if you can see that or not. So, I'm glad I could save this motor. Let's get something to be cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, let's get spin down. I may replace the bearing, I may just see if I can get the bearing to be quieted down by putting more oil into it. We'll see what happens. If not, I always have the replacement bearing for the other one, because I think the other one did run silent until it had the issue. I'm glad I held on to the parts from that fan. Originally I was gonna scrap them since they didn't do any good, but I remember seeing this motor at Flea and I went back and sure enough this is the exact same motor as that one. So when they were ready to close down, I was sure to grab the motor. Luckily it still works. It does need a little bit of cleaning up and TLC and whatnot, but all in all, I'm happy that this fan works. I want to say it's also a cast iron motor, so pretty nice. Pretty fast spin down. Let's just go ahead and go straight to high. Definitely Thanks for watching.